Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Leo. Placements. This is your general and love reading ngayong hanggang mid. Okay? Mid-March. So, yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, so ito po yung kanyang FB page. Ito po, ayan. Flash, diba? And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? So, and syempre, don't forget na mag-follow, mag-subscribe sa ating second channel na Love Letter. Okay. So, and yeah, pagdating sa ating mga items, so meron tayong mga protection from evil eye. This is our ring. This is adjustable, by the way. Okay, ring, dalawang design ng bracelet, evil eye. Okay, isang made with love, diba? Handmade with love, diba? Yes, kasi ito po is merong initial kaming inilalagay. So, made to order, no? Kapag ito yung inyong pipiliin. Okay, so ito naman is garterized. Okay, ito yung adjustable, available in red strings. Okay, so ito pa yung ating isa na evil eye protection na necklace naman. This is unisex. Okay, so ganyan siya. Maliit lang yung kanyang pendant. Ganyan lang, ganyan lang. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay, and yung ating love bracelet. Okay, anything about love, lahat ng ka-issuehan, diba? Na meron pagdating sa love. So, ito yung pwede kong i-recommend sa iyo. This is 7 inches long. Okay, 7 inches long yung kanyang, diba? May pagganon. So, yeah, si Granter, yung mahilig magbigay ng surprises aside sa pag-grant ng mga minamanifest, diba? So, yes, yun yan. This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung chain. Pwedeng gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto. Okay? Made to order si Granter. And yes, again, unisex. And yung ating pang cord cut. Okay, so meron tayong cord cutting. Kung kayo ay wala pang idea about cord cut, message na lang po para doon na lang kami mag-explain kung anong meron. Okay, so Leo, what's for you in general? Okay, mid-March. Anong meron in general? Anong kailangan mong malaman, Leo? In general, Page of Pentacles inversed, the Three of Chalices, may mapopostponed na schedule, may mapopostponed na pupuntahan, occasion maybe, may marisked. Some of you may magba-back out na friend, I don't know. Alam niyo, specific ko nakikita, merong magli-live sa isang GC. Yes. Okay, may ganong energy. I don't know. Pwedeng ikaw to. Okay, anong meron? The Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Ang naririnig ko dito specific, mommy's duty. Or sabihin natin hindi available kasi meron silang gagawin. Parang ganyan. Kaya pwedeng, hindi ako makakasama, may magbaback out, no? Okay. Specific. Or pwedeng ikaw ito na pwedeng may iba kang gagawin. Kaya hindi mo mapupuntahan or may magpaparisked. Okay. So, yun lang aking nakikita pagdating dito. Okay. What else? Ten of Swords. May naririnig ako dito. Hindi lahat ng kaibigan mo is pwede mong mapagkatiwalaan. I don't know why. Hindi lahat pwede mong mapagkatiwalaan. I'm hearing backstab. What's with that Ten of Swords? Two of Wands. Ano like sabotage. Kasi somebody is too open, too vulnerable. Pagdating sa mga plano, ideas, whatsoever. I think this is like an energy of pwedeng baka ma-evil eye ka. Mabatuhan ka ng evil eye, hindi mo alam. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. This is talking about money. Okay. Yeah, see, the Wheel of Fortune. Be careful, yung may mga, ano na dyan, evil eye, na gamitin. Okay, wag nyong iwan lang sa bahay, nakakatamad isuot. Wag, ha? Baka tamarin ang ating mga pagpoprotect, di ba? Hindi naman wag nyong katamaran. Okay? Kasi naman tamarin yung mga biyaya na pumasok, no? Kasi mabablock ng mga to. Hindi natin alam. Okay? So, gamitin ang mga evil eye. Ang mga evil eye is important. Okay. Kahit hindi mo yan dito na-purchase, kung sa tingin mo okay naman yan, yeah, gamitin mo. Okay. So, Seven of Swords in reversed. What's with that? Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, yung pera, ha? Okay. Yung pera, sabihin natin pwedeng ipagkakatiwala mo. Anong meron dito? Sa Seven of Swords na to, na naka-reverse. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. Meron ako nakikita rito, if ikaw itong parang specific ka, may bibilihin or maglalabas ka ng pera, malaki, wag muna. Parang ganun wag daw muna. Okay? Meron din ditong energy about somebody is preparing or planning a surprise. So, hindi na siya surprise kasi nabanggit na. No? Meron ditong nagpaplano ng surprise. Yeah. Anyway, so, a surprise visit maybe. Surprise audit. When it comes to workplace. Okay, mga ganyang bagay. Your mother, kung malayo ka sa kanya, kumustahin mo. Okay? Or somebody na pwedeng sa tingin mo kailangan ng kumusta or pangungumusta. Kumustahin mo. Somebody na unang-unang papasok sa utak mo kung sino yun. Kumustahin mo siya. Okay? That's a message. Saving. You have to save. Or sabihin natin, pwedeng meron kang kailangang i-hold muna na malaking purchase, na malaking pagbibitaw ng pera. This is too big. This is, a huge amount of money. Hindi mo daw kailangan muna na talagang paalpasan itong perang to. I don't know why. The Seven of Swords is here. So, maybe kailangan mong mangalap na mga information about that. I don't know. Okay? Kung ano man yan. So, aralin kung anong meron. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita. Okay. So, tayo tumungo sa love. Ano bang meron? Energy about love. For Leo placements. Energy about love for Leo. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, we're just checking the energies, no? So, let's see. Anong meron? When it comes to love, energy in love, ng mga Leo. Star in reverse. Some of you might be dealing with an aqua. Star in reverse, death in reverse. Somebody is not healed, somebody is returning not healed. The devil. Just to want, magkaroon ng sex. Opo. Okay? Avoid one night stand. Yeah. Okay? Oops. avoid nyo muna, avoid nyo. May mangyayaring one night stand sa iba sa inyo. Hindi ko alam kung anong patutunguhan nun. Pero hindi ko alam bakit ako nabulong. Let's see. Yeah, 5 of Wands. What's with that? The High Priestess in reverse. There's this energy about arguments. Kasi pwedeng may malalaman. About third party maybe, or sabihin natin in general, there's this conflict. Yeah, the Ten of Chalices in reverse na magkokos ng away. Sabihin ko na lang na away. Yeah, the Nine of Chalices in reverse. This is like pamukaan na to. Okay, may mga ganun na energy. Somebody wants to see you here. Somebody wants to talk. They want your attention. Itong taong to, pwedeng they want to get your attention by making subtle signs, little hints. Okay? Okay, the Emperor. Some of you, this is a boss. Your boss, maybe. Somebody in the workplace. Same environment. Parang ganyan. So, what else, Leo? What else? The Sun. Okay, so that's specifically summertime. Anong meron sa the Sun? This is like a good news coming in. What's with that? Some of you, this is talking about a baby. Okay, pregnancy at the Page of Pentacles in reverse. I'm hearing false pregnancy. Yeah. Okay, the Three of Wands in reverse. Pwedeng hindi natuloy na pagbubuntis nung nakaraan. Okay, so I don't know. This is talking about fertility, parang ganyan. The Page of Pentacles, let's see what's with that. Energy about pregnancy to. The Seven of Swords in reverse. Yeah, false pregnancy. Yeah, the Empress, the pregnancy card, di po ba? So, for me, sa ngayon nga, ang nakikita ko dito, kung you're trying to conceive, then, there's this, little percent lang, yung pwedeng maging successful, no? So, the page, ano ba yan? The Page of Pentacles na naka-reverse, meaning, sabihin natin, kung meron kayong mga pinagkakabisihan, kung kailangan mong ikaw ay magstay muna sa bahay, like that, hindi masyadong magagawa, magkikilos, whatsoever, if ikaw itong babae, no? Mas maganda. Hindi kasi sinasabi rito na na ikaw ay gumawa. Yeah, parang advice is, okay, relax ka muna. Parang ganun. Yeah, see the Three of Swords in reverse. Hindi mo kailangan maggagalaw. Okay, andun yung pain. I don't know. Somebody pwedeng meron ditong nagkaroon ng miscarriage nung mga nakaraan. I'm sorry. Yeah, the Ace of Chalices in reverse. May diba? Ang tawag dyan? Nangyaring miscarriage. So, yeah, ang sinasabi dito, yes, meron pa ring chance naman. Okay? So, there. Kung meron kayong mga plano na talaga, no? Na magka-baby. Anyway, so, syempre, wag din magpapawala ng info about pagkuha ng info sa mga doctors. Okay? So, kasi health yun So, the person on your mind, Leo, let's check. The person on Leo's mind. Who is this? Who is this? Leo. The person on your mind. Anong meron? The King of Swords. The Liar. The Liar. Oo. Anong meron dyan? Page of Pentacles. May chance na mag-reach out ito ngayon. Okay? hanggang mid-March. Itong taong ito. Ito yung taong mahilig magbigay ng mga pangako na hindi naman tinupad. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya? Anong kailangan mong malaman dito sa taong to? Yeah, the Queen of Wands inversed. Some of them, kung pinagpalit kayo niyan sa iba, may chance na pinagpalit rin siya. Okay, ano tong Queen of Wands na naka-reversed? Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles in the reverse. Pwedeng pinagpalit rin siya, or pwedeng sabihin natin ginamit lang. Okay? So, yung pag-reach out na pwedeng mangyari, nagagawin nga niyan taong yan bago mag-end itong March, siguro. Sabihin natin puro ano lang. Sabihin natin puro ganon. They just want, yeah. And some of them, they have money issue, relationship issues, mga ganyan. They have issues in general. So, nung meron emotion niya ngayon pagdating sa'yo, Leo, what is their emotion? The High Priestess. They're like, maraming questions, no, pagdating sa'yo. Ano kayang meron? They're like curious. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. Parang gusto kong lumapit. Parang kinakailangan ko ngayon si Leo. Like that. Yeah, the Hermit. Looking for you. May chance na pwedeng ini-stock ka nitong taong to. Yeah. Kung ikaw itong chinat na nito or nag-message whatsoever, may ginawa na siyang maliit na action, naghihintay itong taong to. Some of you, may chance na hindi mo ito nire-replyan or hindi mo pa nasisin yung message, or hindi ka pa totally nagre-response, no, dito sa mga ginawa niyang action. Pwede. Kung hindi pa man. So, what is their next action? Their next action towards you, Leo, let's see. Yeah, stalking. The Page of Swords in the reversed. Yeah. Stalking, watching you heavily. The Nine of Pentacles. Tinitingnan kung meron ka na bang iba. Tinitingnan kung ano bang meron sa'yo. Open ka pa kaya pagdating sa another reconnection? Okay? Yeah. So, 'di ba, maikli lang na reading pero may idea. Let's see. Anong meron pagdating sa outcome nyo, mga Leo? Okay, what's this? The Three of Chalices. See? A reconnection. Reconciliation for some of you. And the Knight of Chalices. Keep an arm's distance from them. Straightforward reading. Keep an arm's distance from this person, please. Okay, lumitaw tong taong to, so don't get too attached. Okay, sa taong to. Yeah, the Fool. Gusto lang ng new beginning or like panibagong panimula muli sa inyo. So, hindi ko nakikita na itong taong to ay nagbago. Ang nakikita ko sa kanya, yes, they need you. Okay? And ang nakukuha ko ring energy about sa pag-reach out is like paawa effect. Don't trust this person. Don't trust them. Kailangan pala kita, Leo. Alam ko nagkamali ako. Ganto, ganyan. Ang hindi nyo alam kasi, sa part niya, eto, kinuha natin. May issue. Kung ano man ang ginawa nito na paglayo. Okay? Or kung ano mang dahilan. Yes, there's this separation. This is a past person. May issue siya, kaya nagtatangka na naman na bumalik. Okay? So, again, pwedeng pera, pwedeng kakonek. May nangyari lang talaga, downfall. Okay, a downfall. Yeah, the Emperor in reversed. The World. Alam nitong taong to na ikaw yung makakatulong sa kanya. No good decision, no good intention itong taong to pagbalik niya sa'yo. So, keep an arm's distance. An arm or two. O, diba? Yes. Guard up. Leo, guard up. Okay. So, yeah. May magbabalik na sinungaling or paasa. Okay. So, tayo muna sa all signs. Anong meron? All signs are true Pisces. The zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Aries. Ego, pride. Some of them makikipag-argue. Taurus. They want to connect. They want to talk. Okay? They want arguments. Gemini. They want to fix things out. Parang may mga gusto siyang bagu-baguhin. To balance things maybe. Cancer. Feeling content. Parang ganyan. Contentment. They're happy. Some of them, pwedeng itong Cancer na to is pamilyado. Kasal. Leo. Invested. Or maybe they want you to invest. No? Virgo. Turn off. Ayun ang narinig ko. Turn off. Okay. Nawala yung attraction. Maybe. Hindi na sila ganun ka-confident enough. Libra. This Libra won't go away. Oh, hindi sila totally lalayo. Some of them, they can't, move on. Scorpio, too toxic. Obsessive. Sagittarius, they love you unconditionally. Capricorn, they are non-committal. Focus lang is sarili, kaperahan, career, all about themselves. Aquarius, in and out, sex base. Pisces, if they're waiting for you, okay, waiting for a reply maybe, waiting for a message, yeah. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Leo placement. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.